Hey there, so today I'm going to quickly show you how to appeal if you have any ads or keywords that are limited by policy or really restricted or disapproved. So there are heaps of different reasons why. For some reason your keywords or ads can trigger the disapproval. So first things first, you'll go ahead and go to the campaign level. And if you have signed up to get notifications, you should also receive an email with your disapprovals. Sometimes you'll also see them in your notifications if you do keep up with that. So first things first, you want to go ahead and scroll over the status column. And now if you don't have the status column, just go ahead and hit columns, modify columns, quickly add it in there. I always recommend keeping the status column in one of the main columns that you utilize in Google Ads. So go ahead and roll over the status column, and right now I can see that 3 of the 15 ads are limited by policy, and it's saying trademark in ad text. So I can go ahead and go to ads, so I'm just gonna go to click here, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Now this will bring up a filter that's policy detail contains trademark in ad text, and then we can see here the 3 ads that are being marked as trademark. So they're saying that my ads contain Google and I don't meet the reseller information for my website. So one thing that you will have to do likely is go ahead and edit the ad. So remove the word that it's telling you is the trademark, which is Google. However, if the trademark is something strange, or sometimes like I've had the letter A come up as a trademark, weird things happen in Google Ads worlds for trademarks sometimes. So if you do believe that the trademark is a mistake and it's not correct, then you can go ahead and appeal it. So that is one option that you have, sort of your first line of defense after you've made the changes and it still gets disapproved. So again, just roll over the status column. We're not doing any clicking yet. Just roll your mouse over and then hit appeal. Now you want to say you made changes to comply with the policy. This is after you've changed it and changed the ads to remove the word Google. And now we can choose, we want to appeal the following. We can just do the ads in this ad group. We can do the ads in this campaign, or we can do all affected ads in this account. So if you have heaps of ads that are disapproved, I would just recommend doing all affected ads in this account. However, if it's just one campaign, you're pretty safe to just appeal all the affected ads in this campaign. Most cases, that's generally what I go for. So we'll just hit submit. And now that appeal button has gone and it says track appeal. So if we want to come in a few days time, we can roll back over the status and track appeal and go ahead and see the results of that appeal. So this is the one that we've just submitted. The date is today, and then it's saying in progress. So generally it'll be in progress for about 24 hours or less, and then it will say review complete at the end, and then either the result will be failed or successful. So successful being that it's gone through and it's approved now. Failed will be that no, it's not gone through and you need to make further changes. So in this case, we didn't make any changes to the ads. They include Google, so it's likely we'll come back in about 24 hours or less and it'll say failed. So just keep that in mind. Google is quite strict, so you can't just sort of push things under the rug through approval. So I just always recommend trying to edit the ad or the keyword first before you appeal it. Try to give it another go, and then if you absolutely have to appeal, you have to appeal. Again, if it's like a really weird trademark, or you get like you get flagged for like opioids or like drug terms, something that's just bizarre and doesn't make sense, appeal it straight away, give it 24 hours, you should be good. But yeah, just again, like take it case by case. Disapprovals do come, they happen all the time. You'll see them, perhaps every couple of weeks. So do keep that in mind. It's like, don't freak out. It's okay. You have, of course, time to make changes and to appeal. So it's not like if, your ads are disapproved or limited, like mine are right now, that your account's going to be suspended. So don't freak out. It's fine. Edit everything, appeal it, track the appeal. You should be sweet. So that is a quick way to show you how to appeal ads if you have them disapproved. Again, keywords or ads. Also keep in mind extensions. So extensions get disapproved all the time. So you go under ads and assets. This is assets, extensions. And then you want to make sure that all of your assets are approved. Okay, so status column, Again, and they're all eligible. All of mine are in all campaigns, but I always see like, you know, a site link getting disapproved or something like that. So make sure you're also keeping an eye on your assets or extensions to make sure that everything is approved and serving. All right, if you liked this paid search quick tip and you want to see more, go ahead and smash the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.